Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the superscript feature in texts, in comments and replies you leave in Reddit communities and subreddits or discussions. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so navigate to the post where you'd like to add your comment. Let me go with this example post here. And after that, we'll wait for the comment section to finish loading. And here guys, where it says add your reply, click into it to post your reply into the given discussion. So guys, to access the superscript feature, you will need to click into that button here, show formatting options. And after that, start typing your text, like for example, ABC 1, 2, 3, 4. And then click into this button here above, superscript. And next, enter the number, like for example, I don't know, square miles or something like that. If we have, for instance, I don't know, kilometers in Europe. And let me just disable the auto script. So that would be 2 kilometers or 20 kilometers. And then you add simply the superscript and add the 2. Now we have 20 square kilometers or miles if you live in the United States. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.